One thing about the protein, the measurements that I give in my recipes are for the protein powder that I specifically use. If you change protein powders, it may change how much you use. In general, I find that it works for what they call a serving on the box or can or package you're using. So if you need 2 scoops for your protein powder for a serving, then that's how much you would use. Whereas if I'm using a protein powder that only needs 1 scoop for a serving, that's what I use. I do not put calorie counts because everything is different what you use. It should be pretty easy to figure out based on the exact ingredients you use. I hope you enjoy my recipes, and I'm going to continue adding them. All of them will be on my YouTube channel at Spirits Traveler. I'll also have this information in the description. Make things as easy as possible so you don't have to make comments with secret codes to get my recipes. They're all going to be in front of you. Of course, keeping up with travel. So you'll find travel videos too on my YouTube and my Instagram, also at Spirits Traveler. Concerts. I have a lot of upcoming concerts and I'll be posting from there. Um, all the products that I use in my recipes are on my store. Support. You can find my store link also in the description. And here's to healthier treats.